Polynomials, one more problem. Find the zeros of 6x square minus 7x minus 3 and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. Okay, right. Now this is nothing but what type of polynomial? Yes, quadratic polynomial. How many zeros are there? Maximum 2 zeros. Okay, right. Now we have to find the zeros of that polynomial. Before that, I am taking this polynomial as p of x. I am giving a name for that polynomial. 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is p of x. Now we have to factorize this. How can we factorize this? 6 into, that is coefficient of x square and the constant. Multiply these two. 6 into minus 3. So minus 18. And then what is the coefficient of x? Minus 7. We have to find two numbers such that if we multiply these two numbers, we'll get minus 18. If we add, we'll get minus 7. Like that we have to find two numbers. What are the two numbers? I'm just trying 9 and 2. 9 2s are 18. Minus 18 I need. If I add these two, minus 7 I need. That's why I'm giving minus here. So minus 9 into 2, minus 18. Minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7. So exactly correct. So that 6x square, this minus 7x is splitting like this. Minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 as it is right. That is splitting the middle term. This middle term minus 7x is split into minus 9x plus 2x. Right. Next one. From the first two terms, what we can take outside as a common? 3x we can take out. What will be remaining? 2x minus 3. The same 2x minus 3 is here. So that from the next two terms I am taking plus 1 outside. 2x minus 3 as it is it will come, right? Now here also 2x minus 3, here also 2x minus 3. So this 2x minus 3 we can take outside. What will be the remaining? 3x here plus 1. So 3x plus 1. This is another factor. This is nothing but factorization of this quadratic polynomial. So these two are the factors of this polynomial. Now to find zeros, we have to equate this factors to 0. So 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Another one 3x plus 1 equal to 0. First one x is equal to 3 by 2. Second one x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Any doubt in this? Minus 3 goes that side means plus 3, and then 2 goes that side means divided by 2. 3 by 2. Here also the same. Plus 1 goes that side, minus 1. This 3 goes that side means divided by 3. So these two are the zeros of the polynomial p of x. Okay, right. Now sum of the zeros. Sum of zeros is equal to, add these two. 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 3. LCM is 6, 9. Here 3 we have to multiply. 3 3s are 9 minus 2 into 1, 2. So that is 7 by 6 is the sum of the zeros. Next, product of the zeros. Before going to that, here itself we can verify, because they are asking that verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients, right? Here what is the coefficient of x square? 6. Coefficient of x is minus 7 and the constant is minus 3. So here what is ABC? Here A is equal to the coefficient of x square 6. B is nothing but the coefficient of x, that is minus 7. Then constant is minus 3. So sum of the zeros is equal to 7 by 6. That is nothing but minus b by a. Is it? See here, minus b. B is minus 7. So minus b means 7 divided by 6. So minus b by a. So here itself it's verified. Now product of zeros. Product of zeros is nothing but 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. 3 3 cancel, minus 1 by 2. What is C by A? C by A is nothing but C is minus 3, A is 6. So minus 3 divided by 6 is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Both are same. Therefore, product of 0 is C by A. Hence verified. That's all. That is, individually we have to find the zeros of this polynomial. First we are finding the factors and put equal to 0, we can find the 0. So 2 zeros we are getting. Find the sum of the zeros by actual method. Actual method if we find means 7 by 6. By the coefficient minus b by a. That value is also equal to 7 by 6. Both are same. Similarly, product of these two zeros. Multiply these two means we are getting minus 1 by 2. By coefficient c by a, value is also minus 1 by 2. So that means sum of the zeros is minus b by a. Product of the zero means c by a. This is verified.